So in this number base, we are going to find the value of x. So if you see, we have 134 in base x is equals to 8 in base 10. So the left hand side, we need to find the value of x. So how are we going to do this? This is an equation. So solution, on the left hand side, we have 1, 3, 4 in base x. This is also the same thing as 0, 1, 2, 4. Easy simplification is equals to 8 in base 10. Let's consider the left hand side only now. So this is going to be 1 times x the base multiply the base raised to power, which is 2, plus 3 multiplied by the base, which is x raised to the power of 1, plus 4 times multiply the base, which is x raised to the power 0. So this is going to be 1 times x squared plus 3 times x plus 4 times 1, because anything raised to the power of 0 is equals to 1. This one is equals to 1. So we are now going to have 1 times x squared will give us x squared, plus 3 times x will give us 3x, plus 4 times 1 will give us 4. And remember, on the right hand side we have 8, which is equals to 8. So everything now are in base 10. So for us to solve it now, this is quadratic equation already. So this is x squared plus 3x plus 4 minus 8 is equals to 0. The 8 crosses the equality sign to the left hand side, it becomes negative. So we are now having x squared plus 3x, 4 minus 8 is going to give us minus 4, which is equals to 0. So at this point, we can use many methods to solve it. We can use completing the square method. We can use factorization method. We can use, okay, let me use formula. So there is a general formula to solve quadratic equation, which is minus b positive negative. This positive negative is called the standard error. Square root of b square minus 4ac all over 2a, where from here our a is equals to 1, our b is equals to 3, and our c is equals to minus 4. So this formula is gotten from ax squared plus b x plus c equals to 0 using the completing the square method. So let's get back to our work. So let's substitute in our value now. So anywhere we see a in the equation, we are going to put 1. Anywhere we see b, we are going to put 3. Anywhere we see c, we are going to put minus 4. So there is 1 minus here before, so we will obey that minus. So minus b is 3, positive negative, square root of our b, which is 3 square, minus 4 times our a, which is 1, multiply by our c, which is minus 4. all over 2 times 1. 2 times 1. So we're still solving. So this is going to be equals to minus 3 positive negative square root of, this is 9, because 3 times 3 will give us 9, minus 4 times 1 times minus 4 is going to give us plus 16, because minus times minus is plus. 4 times 4 is 16 times 1 is still 16 all over 2. So this is going to be equals to minus 3 positive negative 9 plus 16 is going to be 25 all over 2. Now that we have this is now going to be minus 3 positive negative square root of 5 is going to be 5 all over 2. You know, square and square root are opposite to each other. So this is going to be equals to minus 3 plus 5 all over 2, or minus 3 minus 5 all over 2. So minus 3 plus 5 is going to give us 2 all over 2, or minus 3 minus 5 is going to give us minus 8 all over 2. 2 divided by 2 is going to give us 1, or minus 4 divided by minus 4 divided by 2 is going to give us minus 8 divided by 2 is going to give us minus 4. Minus 8 divided by 2 is going to give us minus 4. So these two are our value. So since if we have negative and positive, always take the positive to be your value. So the value of our x is equals to 1 or minus 4, but we'll go for minus, we'll go for 1. So if you put the value of 1, 3, 4 x is equals to 8 in base 10. So if I want to prove this now, let's say the value of my x is equals to 1. So 1, let me prove if I will have 8. The value of my x is equals to 1 now. So this is going to be 0, 1, 2 times 2. So x is equals to 1 raised to the power of 2. If I will have 8 plus 3 times 1 raised to the power of 1 plus 4 times 1 raised to the power of 0. So this is going to be 1 plus this is going to be 3, then it's raised to the power of 0 is going to be 1. So this is going to be 4. So 1 plus 3 is 4 plus this is 8 in base 10. 8 in base 10. So you see that my work, the left hand side is equals to the right hand side.